Yes, ma. Let us analyze a CMA Inter a corporate accounting and auditing paper, corporate accounting particularly. You can see the smile on my face. The question paper is easy. The question paper is easy. My opinion is that. Okay, let us see. The first bit is from redemption of preference shares chapter. What is the amount that is to be transferred to CRR? That is the question. If you are thorough with that concept, this is simple. Okay, yes. The next bit. Which of the following reserves cannot be used for the purpose of issuing bonus shares? Bonus shares chapter. First thing is from preference shares. This is from bonus shares. What are the reserves that are used to issue bonus shares? Simple. If you are thorough with that concept, very, very simple. Discount received shall be shown under dash in the profit and loss statement. If you know the format of a profit and loss statement, this is easy. Discount received, other income, yes or no? Yes. And which of the following is not treated as cash flows from operating activities in cash flow statement? This is from cash flow statements chapter. If you are thorough with that operating activities and all, is nothing for you. Okay. And from banking companies, what is the percentage of profits that is to be transferred to reserve fund or statutory reserve? Direct question. In study material and in our material also. Direct question from our material. From insurance companies. Which of the following is not a mandatory statement? This is also direct question from study material. You see study material, direct question from that. Okay, yes. And in ASA 19, employee benefits, salary payable per day, is asking what is the expense to be recognized? Normally expense we can recognize, and also in case of non-accumulating leaves, in case of non-accumulating leaves settled through payment, those leaves are non-accumulating, not to be carried forwarded. Those are settled by the employer in that year itself. So in that case, what is the expenses to be booked? In AS 19, there is a concept question on this also in our material. If you see material in AS 19, there is a concept question particularly. Okay, yes. So that's it with respect to corporate accounting bits paper. Let us analyze questions. The first question is from bonus issue and rights issue chapter. Bonus issue and rights issue, or no? Yes. See here, numbers were changed. That's it. Just the numbers were changed. As it is, question is there. In previous attempt also this question was given. In previous attempt this question was given, and now numbers change were there. Very easy question. Theoretical x right price, value of right. What is the value of right, ma? Come right price minus x right price. We have to calculate that x right price in that first bit. That value we have to use it here. And finally percentage increase in share capital as it is. Okay, yes. The next question, it is from underwriters. No much complication is there. No complications at all. See here, applications received from public do not include firm underwriting. Firm underwriting do not include firm underwriting. There is no complication at all. Direct question also. Or no? Yes. Simply total shares were there, and also percentages were given, and firm underwriting were given, and these shares were not included in that. Okay, yes. And calculate the liability. We have to calculate the liability of underwriter. If you are thorough with that, no complications at all, directly we can answer that. It's easy, 7 marks. Okay. And the next thing, preparation of financial statements. In this preparation of financial statements, when you see the material, directly this type of format and adjustments were there, but 1 or 2 adjustments are given from some other questions. 1 or 2 adjustments. You compare that with our question in the material, closing stock provisions, depreciation and all, outstanding rent, outstanding salaries, director's recommendation, and here in the 6th point, provide 2040 for doubtful debts. Directly amount was given, percentage was not given. Directly amount was given. Very easy. Okay. And finally, authorized. How many authorized shares were there? and in that how many fully paid shares were there given? This is for just for notes to accounts presentation. That point was given for notes to accounts presentation. No. So notes to accounts should part form of your answer. In that notes to accounts, under note number 1 share capital, we have to show that what is the authorized capital, what is the issued capital. Or no? Yes. Very simple one. No complications at all. Yes. Yes. 14 marks. Okay. And the next question, rebate on bills discounted. In last day, I mean, day before exam strategy video is there, right? In that video, if you see particularly from this chapter, in our opinion, we have said that from two topics question will be there. One topic is rebate on bills discounted. Another topic is acceptances and endorsements, right? Rebate on bills discounted is given. Rebate on bills discounted. You see on the day also, you can easily write that. Okay. Yes. This is also one of the simple questions. Okay. Yes. This is covered in the material. If you are thorough with that, you can easily answer that. And the requirement is simple, ma. Calculate rebate on bills discounted. Rebate. And also amount of discount credited to profit and loss account. If you find out that what is the amount that is transferred to profit and loss and what is the rebate on bills discounted, both the things are, it is easily calculatable. Okay. And from insurance companies, prepare fire insurance revenue account. This is also direct question from our material. If you are thorough with that material also, first concept, I think it's first concept. In case of fire insurance company, revenue account preparation, first concept, direct question from our material. Okay, if you are thorough with that chapter, easy answering. Okay, we have said that sir, ICA is not following their weightage. ICA is not following their weightage. If you see the weightage of these three chapters, banking company, insurance company, and electronic companies, electricity companies, they have given only 10% weightage out of 50 marks. But now see here, from these two chapters itself, 14 marks were given. Or no? Following the percentage, weighted percentage, no, they are not following that. Okay. Yes. The next question, EPS. In that last day strategy video, I've told that two standards were very important for the examination point of view. The two standards were Ind AS 19 and Ind AS 33. From Ind AS 19, bit was given, bit is there, and from Ind AS 33, question was given. Rights issue. Calculate basic EPS and restated EPS for the previous year. Very simple. Very simple. Direct question by just changing the numericals. Okay. Yes. And finally, no. Yes. Cash flows from operating activities from direct method. We didn't expected this. We expected that there will be a question from indirect method. Operating activities from direct method is very easy. If it is easy, we can't prepare, right? We will not prepare because it is easy. Yes. So many students did that, but even though you are not, you have not seen in the last day, you can easily answer that. You can easily answer this question. This is nothing more, just direct method. See here, in direct method, what we have to do? Directly, what are the receipts? What are the sales? All things, right? Yes. We just have to do that. Directly, receivables, expenses, all the things we have to present there in case of operating activities from direct method. Okay, now this is also one of the simple question. In my opinion, if you are thorough with that material, thorough with our material, you can easily score above 40 marks in this question paper. Above 40 marks. Okay. Yes. Okay, ma. Prepare for the next exam. Hope you do well in all the examinations. Take care. Bye.
So hello CMA students. I hope that you have written your paper number 10, that is corporate accounting and auditing paper, excellent, for June 2024 attempts. So I am before you to discuss auditing part, sir, for June 2024 CMA inter paper. Okay, na? So the question paper one was, if I want to tell in one single line, sir, the question paper was easy, sir. and all the questions were on expected lines only, sir. They have not asked any questions, sir. Normally abnormal questions they have not asked. So regular questions were asked in the examination. So I hope that you have written your paper excellent, sir. Okay, na? So let's start discussion regarding auditing part, sir. Okay, na? So the MCQs were very easy, sir. You have to score like anything in MCQ. Okay, na? So obviously in MCQs only there is no chance for the evaluationer to deduct any mark if the answer was correct. Either you get 100% of the marks or you get a 0 in MCQs. Okay, na? So there it is not discretionary power of evaluationer, sir. Okay, na? Suppose a 4 mark question or 7 marks question is there, the evaluationer may award only 5 marks or sometimes. But in MCQs, if you have written the MCQ properly, obviously you will award 100%. Or if you have written incorrect, sir, then it is 0 marks, sir. So very easy questions were asked, sir, even for MCQs. The which of the following is not a duty of the company auditor as per section 143? Oh, basic questions, sir. So obviously, normally in audit we learn that who is responsible for preparation of financial statement. So obviously, out of other things, duty to prepare financial statement is not auditor's responsibility. So this question was from a company audit as well as our basic auditing knowledge, sir. Then which of the following is a method to obtaining audit? Which of the following is a method for obtaining audit evidence? And obviously from audit evidence, audit engagement, audit evidence chapters, all the methods comes under methods to obtain audit evidence. Again an easy MCQ, sir. Again you should have answered it in a proper manner. Then which of the following is not an audit risk, sir? Okay, na simple question, sir. Again you can answer 100% correct answer, sir. That is which is not an audit risk, sir. First three comes under audit risk, then obviously it is omission risk is not an audit risk, sir. Then they are asking the first auditor of a government company is appointed by. So normally this is from a company audit chapter. Okay, na? So this question is from a statutory auditor, that is a company auditor questions. Okay, na? So in our one day before strategy also I told that a statutory audit forms major part of our examination question paper, sir, and they have asked the question paper on the same weightage basis. Okay, na? Obviously this is also an easy MCQs. Then an audit committee should have minimum dash number of directors. This is also again a MCQ from a statutory audit only, sir. So normally it shall be 3 minimum directors shall be there, sir. Okay, na? So only if you want to lose mark, you can have a wrong answer, sir. Otherwise all the MCQs are very easy MCQs. Then which of the following is not a part of urban self-government system? This question was asked multiple times, sir. Again and again they are repeating. This is from a audit of different types of undertaking chapter where they have asked this MCQ. Then audit in a cooperative society is appointed. Auditor in a cooperative society is appointed by the dash. Again this is also from a audit of different types of undertaking. So audit of cooperative society. This question was asked from a that's okay, na? So the answer is register of a cooperative society. So all MCQs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 MCQs were asked, sir. That is 8 into 2, 16 marks. You can easily score, sir, without losing even 1 mark. So easy questions they have asked, sir. All 8 MCQs are very easy questions. Okay, na? So 16 out of 16, your strike rate shall be 100%. Then in under descriptive part they have given some questions. So question number 6A, sir. Describe the contents of audit working papers. So in second chapter, audit engagement, audit documentation, where we would have discussed, this was again our CRD question, sir. Describe the contents of audit working papers. Again a straight question, sir. In auditing in CMA inter normally there is no twisting in questions, sir. Straight questions they have asked for 7 marks. Okay, if you have studied, and also this question was there in our guest questions also. Then with reference to section 177 of the Companies Act 2013, examine the powers of audit committee of a company. Powers of audit committee, functions of audit committee, we have discussed it thoroughly in class, sir. Obviously this question was also easy question, sir. You would have easily answered this question. This question was also from a statutory audit chapter. Again an easy question, sir. Obviously you should have written well. Next question, question number 7 is, sir. Discuss the audit procedure to be followed for audit of inventories. Audit of different items of financial statement. If you remember, definitely they are going to pick up one question for every attempt, sir. This time they have asked for a audit of inventory. Again, this question is also covered in our guest questions. So audit of inventory, procedures to be written, we have discussed it in class, sir. Easy question. Then obviously I hope that you have presented this answer also properly. Then comes question number 7b, sir. Analyze auditor's responsibility for reporting on internal financial control over financial reporting. So this is from our last chapter, sir. Internal financial controls over financial reporting, National Financial Reporting Authority. So this question was also we have discussed it in the class, sir. Auditor's responsibility regarding reporting on internal financial controls over financial reporting, sir. Again an easy question, sir. They have asked for a 7 marks. See, sir, there is no twist in questions. Okay na? So institute is very clear, sir. If you have prepared well, we are going to pass you. Okay na? Then question number 8a, sir. Mr. B has been appointed as the auditor of Deluxe Hotels for the financial year 23-24. Mr. B seeks your opinion in designing an elaborate plan for his assignment. Prepare a list of important items to be checked by Mr. B in conducting the audit of Deluxe Hotels. So this is again a simple question, sir. How do you do audit of a hotels? Important points to be verified when you are doing audit of a hotels. Again, a direct questions from our material, sir. Easily you would have answered this question also under an easy question. And finally, 8b questions are what are the advantages or analyze the pros and cons of a joint audit. SA 299, sir. This question is again from a statutory auditor chapter. From statutory auditor, SA 299 joint audit, sir. We have discussed what are the advantages and disadvantages of a joint audit. This question was also covered in our guest questions. So overall, if I want to tell, the paper was very easy, sir. Obviously you can easily get exemption if you have performed well. Obviously I expect you accounts paper is also easy, sir. Okay na? So hope you come out with a good result, sir. All the best for your next examination. Thank you.